Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Intel XTU monitoring for stable CPU performance, beginner guide step by step clearly. Download Intel Extreme Tuning Utility, or XTU, from the official Intel website. Install the application by double-clicking the downloaded file and following the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, launch Intel XTU. Familiarize yourself with the main interface and find the monitoring section. In the monitoring section, you will see various parameters such as temperature, clock speed, and voltage. Enable the real-time monitoring features by checking the boxes next to the parameters you want to track. Adjust the graph settings to your preference for better visual representation. Choose the CPU temperature, clock multiplier, and voltage as your key metrics for monitoring. Next, navigate to the Profile section to create a custom tuning profile. Click on Create Profile and name it according to your purpose, like Stable Performance. Ensure that the Run option is selected for your custom profile. Apply your new settings gradually to ensure stability. Start with small adjustments to the core voltage and clock speed. Test the adjustments using the built-in stress test feature. Keep an eye on the temperature readings during stress testing. Increase the clock speed gradually while monitoring for instability or overheating. If temperatures exceed safe limits, back off on your adjustments. Once you find a stable configuration, save your profile. Close the stress test and monitor your CPU's performance during regular use. Check the stability over several hours of typical workloads. Adjust your profile as needed based on performance and temperature feedback. With these steps, you can configure Intel XTU for stable CPU performance. Always ensure to monitor your system regularly for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.